Welcome to Stove Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists.
Ciao guys, it's Nico from Stefani's Pizzeria in Blackpool. Called it Giggy after my grandma. She was like the heart of the family. Now she's the heart of the pizzeria. I had a lot of help from Sam at Stove Industry Supplies, who helped me with the flue design and where to put the oven and stuff. It's been great. The inspiration for the actual opening of the pizzeria came from my granddad and my family. They used to own a pizza shop on Blackpool seafront, and I loved pizza growing up. So I always knew I wanted to be in this sort of industry, and I knew that Blackpool didn't really have the rustic, like proper traditional pizza oven. So I was one of the first to get it and still one of the remaining. So before we actually opened the pizzeria, I took a trip to Naples with my wife Becky. We tested all the great pizzas out there, got all the great ingredients. We brought a lot of the traditional methods and a lot of the ingredients back to Blackpool, and that's why we have such a good pizza. Favourite pizza of all time is always the classic margherita. Everyone says it's boring, but it's the best pizza going. You always tell if it's got a good crust or a good sauce, good cheese on it. But yeah, I love the classic margherita. The traditional way of making the Neapolitan pizza is in a wood-fired oven, and it literally outstanded me when I found out that it only takes 60 seconds to cook from fresh. So it's at about 400, 500 degrees in there, and that's why it takes so short time to cook. And it's just the quickest, the freshest fast food that you can get.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.